All right, guys, absolutely amazing home tour for you today. We are in South Tulsa checking out this absolutely fabulous, I'm gonna call it modern farmhouse, but leaning towards the modern side. But oh my gosh, wait till you see the most spectacular master closet you've ever seen, as well as some other really amazing features. But starting out on the outside, obviously you can see we've got that painted stone. I love the black on the white, very cool. Nice new garage door. That's obviously not the original one. This home was one of those older kind of 70s, 60s, 70s styles homes, but I love the vertical slats there. Really gives it a nice look. You also have this expansive driveway here, so loads of space. If you're an entertainer, this would be a great house for that. Also, you do have a pass-through, so if you want to park your cars in the back, as you can see the seller did, you know, boats, all those kinds of things. You have the opening in the gate, which is great. Let's head around this way. Make our way to the front. Obviously, if you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching it, it was Christmas time, so this home's decorated for Christmas. But love the trees in the front, really nice garden area. Good patio space. I like the black sconces on either side. Heading on in here, check it out. Love the pillars, very open. I like that the pillars are still the original color because I think it adds a nice bit of warmth to the space. Let me turn around here. We'll show you your front foyer there. Now, I don't think I mentioned it. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2426 square feet. Currently offered at the time of this video, $326,000, I believe. 325, bear with me, 325. So here's your dining area right here, gorgeous. And then check out this living area. Love those huge fans. Those are like 300 bucks at Lowe's, just so you know. So definitely not a cheap fan there, but love that. Obviously fireplace. This seller doesn't use the fire, clearly. So they're doing this situation, which is great. But if you are a fireplace person, the fireplace is here, and it is a nice one. It is gas as well. And you know what? Since I'm here, let's just check out the backyard. Good entertaining space, covered patio. Good size yard as well. Obviously winter, so everything's no longer green, but good side yard as well. I don't know if you noticed in the living room, but they do have dogs. So if you have fur babies, this would be great for that as well. But we'll head around the corner here. They got a hot tub setup happening, but you could just turn it into more party space if you want. This is the primary bedroom, I believe. So if you wanted your own private little, you know, garden area off of your main bedroom, you could certainly do that. Let's head back around though, continue the tour. I do love the skylight up there, a little bit of natural light. You can see the shiplap along this wall. Love the 3 windows facing the front. And then the bar, like I said, really good for entertaining. You have granite counters, nice modern cabinets, stainless steel appliances, undermounted farm sink. And then you do have these really cool, I'm pretty sure they're gray, but they look a little green to me. But regardless, they match amazing. Gas range, and then this is another little kitchen nook area. They're using it as a coffee bar, which is great. And then you've also got pantry space on both of these. That sliding door just goes out to that side garage area where that pickup was parked that you saw earlier. Moving this way, you have your laundry room and then a half bath right here. And then of course your garage. The seller has a bunch of moving boxes in there, so there's not much to see. So I'm just gonna save you from that, but it's a garage. Moving back through, we're gonna head down the hallway. You do have a coat closet right there. And then here's your primary bedroom. Pretty great, right? Soak it up, soak it up. You have the electric fireplace with the shiplap, which I think is honestly a great way to add a fireplace to a room without having to like make a fireplace, because obviously you don't need a vent or anything like that. It's just this faux wall, which I think is great. And voila, fireplace. But really nice size room. Here is the moment you've been waiting for. One of the best master closets you will see in a home of this price range, let me tell you. Stunning. And then there's those two doors that go out to that little garden area if you wanted to turn it into that, like I mentioned earlier. Here is the primary bathroom. Dual vanities. I don't 100% know if these are stone counters, so I'm not going to say that, but they look like they are. If it's not a stone counter, it's some sort of cultured something, but looks fabulous anyway. Loved black hardware, and then an absolutely massive shower. Does have dual heads as well, which is great. So you and your significant other can shower at the same time, which is great. But yeah, this is amazing. Massive shower there. But let's head back around this way. Check out the other bedrooms. Let me know if you're enjoying this house tour. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part so far. But also, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team serving the Tulsa area and the surrounding communities. So obviously, if you're thinking of making a move, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. But on the channel, I share home tours like this, as well as real estate tips and tricks and information about the area. So if you're into any of that, go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos. But with that, let's keep going on this amazing home tour. All right, so here is your hall bath. It is a full bath. You do have the granite counters again, which is great. And then turning this way, here is one of the other bedrooms. Obviously themed. We've got like a, pink situation happening here. Like it. But anyway, good sized bedroom. This is actually a queen bed, just for reference. Actually, I take that back. That's a master bedroom, or a king size bed. So yeah, this is actually, it's a huge room to get a king in here and still have space to walk around it, which you're not going to find in new construction. Just telling you, not for this price anyway. This is the other bedroom, basically the same, just flip-flopped. It's being used as an office, but obviously would be a bedroom if you needed it to be. That about wraps it up. So I think this house is pretty amazing, especially for the price. Like, it's a steal. You're getting a lot for your money here, but also you're kind of around 71st and Memorial in Tulsa. So movies, shopping, nightlife, Target, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, anything you could want is literally within 10 minutes. I mean, there's live music, there's comedy clubs, there's all kinds of things just within minutes. So it's a really fabulous location, and this home could be yours. So act fast. Obviously, it's not going to last long, but if you're interested in this home, reach out to me. I'll put more information in the description with all the photos. And with that, I will see you in the next one. If you have real estate needs, reach out to me. Would love to help you.